Rapid digital transformation, cloud, and remote working have been a boon to businesses and posed new challenges. Unprecedented attacks on corporate data surround the new cyber world. Despite significant investments in security technology and processes, data remains vulnerable to cyber attacks. IT is constantly building higher walls around data, but attacks still happen. Software providing the highest grade security is the need of the hour. PreVeil provides an encrypted email and file sharing platform with unrivaled security and privacy.
PreVeil brings fundamentally better security to personal and enterprise communication and to securing data. We do this through a fundamentally new paradigm based on three core principles. Number one is end-to-end security. Two, building a system that has no central points of attack. And three, ease of use so that customers or users do not need to know all that much about security. PreVeil ensures product quality through early detection of defects, which ensures that field defects are minimized. And we do so by using a very structured approach where we find and fix defects in the phases they are found. Obviously, QA testing is a critical piece of this, and QA testing allows us to verify comprehensively all the end-to-end security and product quality claims that we make. As our market grows and the market evolves, we've had to scale our product in terms of newer features and also towards the support of newer and newer platforms. Obviously, this requires us to test in QA across multiple operating systems and multiple platforms, be it Windows, Mac, iOS or Android, whatever you have. Obviously, as features and platforms scale, we need to be able to turn our QA testing cycles faster and faster. And a fundamental aspect of this is automation. Automation allows us to be able to continuously test releases and ensure things get released in a timely fashion.
Working with Trigent's been an excellent experience. They've created many detailed test cases for us. They've captured many corner cases, and they also put together an excellent automation strategy using Selenium and Python. Their combined testing strategy of using automation and manual testing has helped us turn code around into production very quickly.
Trigent's 25 plus years of industry experience meant that they were able to hit the ground running, and we've also been able to adopt some of these processes and yet remain agile. Working with Trigent has enabled us to leverage the large pool of engineers that they have in India, and such a global development model allows us to expedite the delivery of our testing and releases.
Trigent's extremely responsive, they're very organized, and they know our product very well. Because of their testing strategy, we feel very confident that the code we're putting into production has been well tested and all the bugs have been found.
The partnership with Trigent has been very fruitful. I would say that the benefits have been from a few different angles. Obviously, with the addition of manual test resources, we have been able to greatly expand the test cases and improve coverage of tests. Secondly, automation, which is right now at around maybe 70% of all the test cases, has allowed us to be able to execute obviously suites of tests much faster. And the interesting point there is increasing automation testing allows manual testers to focus on more complicated test cases that are probably not as easily automatable. The sum total of all this, as I see it, is that we've been able to find more and more nuanced defects during the QA test process and find and fix them during that phase, rather than allow it to leak into the field. So this is very central to our originally stated goal of minimizing field defect. As we are adding more and more features and as customers request more and more enhancements and new features, what is becoming clear is that we need to be able to turn releases with high speed and high quality. In order to be able to do so, I do fundamentally believe we need to very intelligently combine manual and automation testing. Intelligent automation testing and intelligent regression paired with manual testing, which will test the more complicated interaction between various features and sub-features in our product, is going to be key to moving forward. In this endeavor, I do believe that we are well positioned with the processes we have in place with Trigent, with more automation and more combination testing. I do feel like we'll be able to achieve our quality goals of minimal or ideally zero escapes to the field.